Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to download and install the Chase mobile app so you can manage your banking anytime, anywhere in 2025. If you're on iPhone, open the App Store, and if you're on Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Chase Mobile and look for the official app by JP Morgan Chase Bank. Tap download or install and wait for the app to finish installing. Once installed, tap open to launch the app. Sign in using Chase online banking username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap sign up and follow the on-screen steps to register. After logging in, you have access to your accounts, balances, and payments right from your phone. And that's how you download and install the Chase mobile app. Quick, secure, and perfect for managing your money in 2025.